Hi dear students, today we shall discuss the questions yesterday I given you as a homework. So let us solve them. The first question is, the angle of elevation of top of a vertical tower from a point on the ground is 60 degree. From another point 10 meter vertically above the first, its angle of elevation is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. There was one tower. Let us take this is one tower. Now, from a point on the ground, let us take this is a ground. So the angle of elevation from this point to the top of the tower is how much? That is 60 degree. Okay. Now there is another point which is just above this, vertically above this point. So that is how much? It is 10 meter height. That is of 10 meter height. This is the height of another point. Okay. Now from this, the angle of elevation is how much? 30 degree they are given. So the observer is here. So he is observing that top of the tower. First I should draw the horizontal line to this observer. Now the angle of elevation is how much? 30 degree. Now we have to find the height of this tower. Okay. Now this is tower. Let us name the diagram first. A and this is B, C, D, E. Okay, I named it. Now we have to find here what? AC we have to find. That is height of the tower we have to find. There are two right angle triangles formed. Those are ACD, one right angle triangle, and another one is ABE, another right angle triangle. Now we have to find AC. For that, first I will take the triangle ACD. Otherwise, you can take ABE also. Okay. Now here ED is 10 meter, then BC is also 10 meter. So BC will be also 10 meter. That is BC. Now in right angle triangle ACD. Now let us apply tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to what? BC divided by CD. Now tan 60, that is root 3. Now BC value is how much? 10 meter divided by CD. If you take this triangle first, automatically you can find the unknown CD. Okay. Better than taking ABE triangle, you take ACD triangle. Now here CD is equal to what? 10 divided by root 3. Now let us solve this. You have to write it in simplest form. Now this is equal to CD is equal to 10 divided by root 3 into multiply and divide by root 3. Now this is equal to 10 root 3 divided by 3. This is what? CD. So that is also in a meter I can write. Now CD I got. CD is nothing but what? EB. Both are same. So CD is equal to EB is equal to 10 root 3 divided by 3 meter. Okay. Now what I have to find? I have to find AC. Then I will go for another right angle triangle. ABE. In right angle triangle ABE. Again I will apply tan function. Tan 30 degree is equal to AB divided by EB. AB divided by EB. Now tan 30 it is 1 divided by root 3. Now AB we have to find it. We don't know that. AB divided by EB value is how much? CD. That is 10 root 3 divided by 3. Now root 3 will get cancelled. Left side 1 is there. This 3 goes to numerator. 3AB divided by 10. Now, so cross multiplication. AB here I am getting as 10 divided by 3 meter. 10 divided by 3 meter. AB I got. BC I know. Now, AC is equal to AB plus BC. Now AB value is 10 by 3 plus BC value is 10. So by taking LCM 30 plus 10, that is 40 divided by 3. That is in meter. So here height of the tower is 40 divided by 3. Otherwise in decimal also I can write. AC is equal to 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 0.9 means 10, again 3, 13.3 meter. Okay. So therefore the height of tower is 40 divided by 3 meter. 40 divided by 3 meter. Because the second question, the question is the angle of elevation and depression of top and bottom of a lighthouse from the top of a 60 meter high building are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. The first word is elevation, for that 30 degree. Second word is depression, for that 60 degree. Find, first one, the difference between the heights of the lighthouse and the building. Second one, distance between the lighthouse and building we have to find. Now there is one building. The height of that building is how much? 60 meter given. I'll take this as what? Building. And there is another one. Lighthouse is there. So let us take this as lighthouse. Now the observer is on the top of the building. First I shall draw the horizontal line to the observer. He is observing first the top of the lighthouse with an angle of elevation that is 30 degree. Angle of elevation is 30 degree. Now again from the same point he is observing the bottom of the lighthouse with an angle of depression that is 60 degree. Angle of depression is 60 degree. Now first we shall name this diagram A, B, C, D, E. What we have to find? We have to find a difference between the heights of the lighthouse and building. Means AC minus ED we have to find. First one. Second one is what? Distance between the lighthouse and building. That is CD we have to find. Okay. Now there are two right angle triangles formed, ABE. One right angle triangle. Another one is EDC. Now this is 60 is there. This also be 60 degree because of alternate angles. And here ED is 60 meter. From the diagram I can write BC is also 60 meter. BC is also 60 meter. Okay. Now in right angle triangle I will go for the first as EDC. Right angle triangle EDC. I will apply tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree means what here? ED divided by CD. Now tan 60 value is root 3. Now ED is 60 divided by CD. Now CD is equal to 60 divided by root 3. Now next step. So here CD is equal to 60 divided by root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. Now this CD is equal to 60 root 3 divided by 3. Now this CD is equal to 20 root 3 meter. That is what? CD. Now CD is nothing but what? EB. Both are same. CD is equal to EB is equal to 20 root 3 meter. From one right angle triangle I got EB equal to CD equal to 20 root 3 meter. I'll go for another right angle triangle ABE. In right angle triangle ABE, now tan 30 degree I will apply. Tan 30 means AB divided by EB. AB divided by EB. Now tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to AB we have to find EB. EB value just now calculated, that is 20 root 3. Root 3 get cancelled. Cross multiplication I will get AB is equal to 20 meter. Now AB is 20 meter, BC is 60 meter. Then I have to find what? AC. Therefore AC is equal to AB plus BC. AB is 20 plus BC. So BC is 60. So now here 80 meter. AC here I am getting as 80 meter. Now AC I got. I want AC minus ED. Here what I want? But AC minus ED. So AC minus ED is equal to what it is? AC is 80 meter minus ED. Now where it is? ED is also 60 meter. So this is 60. 80 minus 60 is how much? 20 meter. That is difference between the heights of the lighthouse and building. And then another one I want to find. What is that? CD. So CD I already calculated. Okay. CD is 20 root 3 meter and AC minus CD is 20 meter. You can write the conclusion at the end. The third question. The angle of elevation of an aeroplane from a point on the ground is 60 degree. After flight of 30 seconds, the angle of elevation will become 30 degree. If the aeroplane is flying at a constant height of 3000 root 3 meter, find the speed of the aeroplane. We have to find the speed of the aeroplane. Let us take this as a ground. Let us take this as a ground. There is a point on the ground. This is a point on the ground. Let us take initially the flight is at this position. When we are observing from this point with an angle of elevation will be 60 degree. Okay. This is angle of elevation. How much it is? 60 degree I will take. Now after 30 seconds the flight will move. Now let us assume that the aeroplane will be here. And the height of this aeroplane is constant. That is 3000 root 3 meter. 3000 root 3 meter. This is height. So it maintaining constant height. Okay. With uniform speed. The flight is moving with some speed. That speed I will take as x. Okay. Now the angle of elevation for this position will be 30 degree. Now the angle of elevation will be what? 30 degree. Okay. Now let us mention it in a dotted line. So this is the height of the aeroplane from the ground. Okay. Now we have to find the speed of the aeroplane. Let us name this A, B, C, D, E. There are two rectangular triangles formed which are A, B, D. That is 30 degree. This is 90. Now another right angle triangle, that is ECD can take. Okay, for angle 60 degree. ECD. So for angle 60 from here to here 60 degrees there. For that right angle triangle is ECD. This is another 90 degree. Okay. Now let us take the flight aeroplane is moving from E to A. It has taken how much time? 30 seconds. Now what is the distance covered by that plane will be? I will take it as 30 into x. Why? Because let the speed of aeroplane is x. Now here I have taken it as x, meter per second, because in meter they have given distance, the time they have given is in 30 seconds. So that's why I take it as x meter per second. So speed equal to distance by time. Distance equal to what? Speed into time. So AE is a distance covered by the aeroplane in 30 seconds. That is 30x. Okay, 30x meter I can write. So x is the speed of the aeroplane. I assumed it. We have to find out the value of x. Now here EA is equal to 30x or BC is also 30x. Can I write it? So BC is also 30x. First I will take one right angle triangle ABD. In right angle triangle ABD, tan 30 degree. For this right angle triangle 30 degrees there. Tan 30 degrees equal to AB divided by BD. Now tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB is 3000 root 3 divided by this BD I can write as CD plus BC. CD plus BC. Now here 1 divided by root 3 is equal to 3000 root 3, 3000 not 100, 3000 root 3 divided by CD. So I don't know, CD I will write as it is, plus BC. BC I can write as what? 30x. Okay, I will keep this equation as it is. Then now I will go for another right angle triangle, which is ECD. In right angle triangle, ECD, what I can define here? Tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to EC divided by CD. EC divided by CD. Now tan 60 is root 3. EC value. EC is nothing but 3000 root 3 meter. Constant height is there. 3000 root 3 divided by CD. We don't know. Now root 3 will get cancelled. CD is equal to 3000 meter. Okay. Now I can substitute this 3000 meter in the equation number first one. Okay. So instead of taking ABD, if you take this as, it's very easy. So from equation number 1, from 1 divided by root 3, I'll write it here now. 1 divided by root 3 is equal to 3000 root 3 divided by CD. CD I got here as 3000 plus 30x. Now cross multiplication. I have to find the value of x. Cross multiplication. 3000 plus 30x is equal to root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9000. It is 9000. Now 30x is equal to, take this 3000 to that side, it will be 6000. 100. So x is equal to 3 2s are 6. 00. 200. X is equal to what? 200 meter per second. That is the speed of the aeroplane. Can write the conclusion here. Therefore, the speed of aeroplane is 200 meter per second. Okay, you should write the unit meter per second. Meter means why? Because they given in meter distance. Second why? Because 30 seconds they given. Okay, so that is 200 meter per second. Then fourth one. A man in a boat rowing away from a lighthouse 150 meter high takes 2 minutes to change the angle of elevation of the top of the lighthouse from 60 degree to 45 degree. Find the speed of the boat. So here one lighthouse is there. Lighthouse. The height of that lighthouse is 150 meter. A man in a boat. There is a boat at this position. This boat is moving away from the lighthouse. Now then after 2 minutes the boat will be at this position. The time taken by that boat from here to here will be 2 minutes given. And from this position the angle of elevation is given as 60 degree. Right? 60 degree. And for the second position the angle of elevation here given as 45 degree. The angle of elevation will be 45 degree. Then find the speed of the boat. We have to find the speed of the boat. So time taken by that boat is 2 minutes. Can I write this as 2x? First let us name this ABCD. Can I take CD as 2x? In the last problem is we taken it. X is nothing but what here? The speed of the boat. So distance covered by the boat will be 2x. That is speed equal to distance by time. Then distance equal to speed into time. So time given here 2 minutes. Okay, 2 into x. So let speed of boat is x meter per minute. Meter per minute, because time they given in minute, the distance they given in meter. Okay. Now there are two right angle triangles formed. We have to find here x, speed of the boat. Two right angle triangles, ABC, one right angle triangle, ABD, another right angle triangle. I will go for first one is 45 degree angle. So in right angle triangle ABD, tan 45 degree is equal to what? AB divided by BD. Now tan 45 1. AB value is given, that is 150 divided by BD. Now BD is equals to 150 meter. Cross multiplication, I am getting it. BD as 150 meter. Then I'll go for another right angle triangle ABC. In right angle triangle ABC, now we'll apply tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to what? AB by BC. AB divided by BC. Tan 60 is root 3. AB is 150 given. BC we have to find. Now BC is equal to 150 divided by root 3. Multiply and divided by root 3. I'll get it as BC is equal to 150 root 3 divided by 3. That BC is equal to what? 3 5s are 15. 50 root 3 meter. This is BC. So BC I got. Now BC I got and BD also I got. Now I will write this BD as BD is equal to BC plus CD. Can I write BC plus CD? BD is equal to BC plus CD. Now BD just now calculated, that is 150. BC is 50 root 3 plus CD. CD I have taken it as 2x. Okay. So this is 2x. This is what? 2x. Now I have to find x here. So this is 2x is equal to 150 minus 50 root 3. Now 2x into, I will take 50 common here. Inside what will be there? 3 minus root 3. 2 5s are 225s are. So x is equal to 25 into 3 minus root 3. That is the speed of the boat. That unit is meter per minute. The speed of that boat is 25 into 3 minus root 3 meter per minute. At the end you write the conclusion also. The speed of the boat is this one.